When introduced in July 1956, the FE range consisted of the Holden Standard Sedan, Business Sedan and Special Sedan, the names designating different levels of equipment and interior trim. The existing FJ series Holden Utility and panel van models continued alongside the sedans, with the FE Utility replacing its FJ counterpart in February 1957. The FE models were built on the longer wheelbase than the FJ series Holden they replaced and featured totally different styling. A single piece windscreen was now fitted, and other improvements included 12-volt electrical system replacing the 6-volt system, improved steering, a front stabiliser bar and wider wheel rims.